Hello, students of Standard 8. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Monrisha. Today we are here with History Chapter 1 Question Answer. Standard 8 History Chapter 1 Question Answer. Already I have given you the questions. I will give you answers of those questions one by one. If you have already written those answers, you just match it whether it is correct or not. If it is not correct, you just give a slash mark over there and write it again in the last. Okay? Now see, your first question was define history. I have given you the first question, define history. The answer is history is about changes that occur over time. It is about finding out how things were in the past, and how things have changed. Now see the answer once again. Define history. History is about changes that occur over time, full stop. It is about finding out how things were in the past and how things have changed. Your second question is mention 3 basic features of history. I have already given these questions. Mention 3 basic features of history. Answer: the 3 basic features of history are number 1, historical knowledge must be based on evidence. Historical knowledge must be based on evidence. Point number 2, history is not just one story. History is not just one story, but several. Number 3, everything must be looked at in a critical way. Critical way to check any errors. Third point is everything must be looked at in a critical way to check any errors. The full answer you see, question number 2, full answers. The 3 basic features of history are historical knowledge must be based on evidence. History is not just one story but several. Everything must be looked at in a critical way to check any errors. This answer you can find in the book, page number 3. 3 basic features of history. It is mentioned there. Point wise you have to write. There are something more in details given. That's why I have cut and made it short, the points. Okay? So dear students, Every day now I am going to give you question answers of the chapters which I have taught and given you the questions. And two answers every day I will write on the board. You have to copy down. So today up to here, these two questions, not only copy down, you have to learn also by heart. As soon as the school reopens, you will not get time again to learn so nicely, because you are having sufficient time in your hand now, sitting at home, eating, sleeping. One more thing you do, that is learning. All other subjects are also being taught. That's why I am giving only two answers to learn. Okay, learn it very nicely by heart, so that you should not forget it during your examination. Thank you.